Hi guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be filming a 3 looks in 1 palette using my Sweet Talk Pressed Powder by Colourpop. I'm just gonna go straight and show you 3 looks. If you guys haven't watched my last video, it's more about the swatches, the review, and my first impression on that palette. And I did demonstrate a look for you guys. I want to show you like ideas what you can create with this palette, so that's what I'm doing for this video. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. Not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below if you like. Do not forget to check out my mom's channel. I'll link her YouTube channel down below. She does like recipes, all that good stuff, desserts, and it's just a really bomb food. You know, just get a little love and support from her. My eyebrows, my face, foundation, concealer, all that off camera, and I just set my eyelid with concealer and powder and just set it. Really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. Eyeshadow palette. I did got a little bit closer just to show you what I'm doing with my eyeshadow. I want to go for is more like for work, for like an everyday look, and that's what I'm aiming for. And I'm gonna go ahead and take Work It, which is this shade right here. And for this shade, I am applying this as my first transition shade, and I am applying all over my lid area. My inner corner and going to my outer V. I like to grab a little bit more of that shade, and I like to add a little bit more so the color can stand out. So this look, basically fall already and the weather's really amazing outside. I do want to go for the color vibes of fall, and that's what I'm going for. For this look, I just wanted to be a little bit more simple for everyday, for work basically. Grabbing a little bit more of that product, and I am applying it on my lid area. Go ahead and take Wet Side, which is this brown shade right here. With this shade, I'm actually going to apply it in the outer V, kind of in the low lid area. And I'm just gonna apply this, like swirling around my eyelid. I do want that to have a little smoky effect in my eyelid. Go ahead and take the Work It shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend the top area. Optional, but normally I like to add a little, I don't know, highlight or glitter or a shimmer in the inner corner, but that's up to you if you guys want to add that. But I am going to apply that, so I'm going to go ahead and take Early Morning, which is this beautiful gold shade right here. With this shade, I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyelid, just so it can brighten up the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and take the Work It shade, and I'm going to apply in my bottom lash line. And it's optional, you can just leave it like that and apply mascara, or you can apply your lashes. A little bit of the Ulta Beauty mascara, and I'm going to apply my bottom lashes. And this shade is going to be my first transition shade, and this is going all over my lid area. And I'm trying not to go above my brow bow area, just want to keep it like right in the center. And I do like to grab a little bit more just so that the lighter pink can stand out. with Dream Maker, which is this shade right here, inner corner into the outer V. And I'm just kind of like smoking it, smudging it, just to give a very nice define. Ice MI. Gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, the outer, just to have a little smoky in the outer. Take Catch Me, and I'm just gonna blend the top. And take my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm gonna do like a halfway cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and do just a halfway cut crease. I'm gonna take Garden Date, which is this shade right here, and just gonna apply it on my cut crease that I just created. This is super pigmented, guys. I'm shocked. So I'm applying this all over the cut crease. Ice Me, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend the outer V, just so it won't be like a harsh line with the cut crease. I just want the shades to blend better. Take Dream Maker, and just gonna go ahead and blend the top, just so all these shades can like blend in. Take Dream Maker at my bottom lash line, and with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Side to Side, which is a shade right here, to apply it in the inner corner of my eye, just to brighten up the eye, the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara in my bottom lashes. This is more like a sunset. I'm going to be taking Catch Me as my transition shade, and I am applying this all over my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and take Meadow, which is this shade right here. And then I'm just applying this basically in my bottom lid area. I'm not going to go upwards, but I'm just mainly focusing on this area. Directly to the outer edge, and then bringing it into my inner corner, trying to blend the shade right. And take Feel Free, which is more like a maroon dark shade. Apply it in the outer V, and then to my inner corner, because what I'm aiming for is to create a halo and have a little shimmer right in the center of my halo. I'm gonna go ahead and create a halo eye, and then right in the center of my eyelid, my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and create that halo. Messed up a little bit, but I will fix that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take Melody, which is this shade right here. And this one has a little bit more like a shimmer. So I'm gonna apply this in my halo cut crease. And this will look more like a sunset. Go back with the Feel Free shade, and I'm just gonna blend the outer V in the inner corner, just so it won't be like a really harsh line. And I want that smokiness to like blend. Meadow, and I'm gonna blend the top, just so all these shades could blend in. And take Catch Me, and I'm gonna blend the top. I'm gonna go in with Was Me, and I'm gonna apply that in my bottom lash line. And I'm gonna do a eyeliner. I'm gonna line up. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. This is the final look. 3 looks in one palette. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.